Looking for a way to increase your website's engagement and boost conversions? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to cover the feature that will help you capture leads, promote events, and deliver personalized marketing experiences that grab visitors' attention. I'm talking about the Elementor Popup Builder that empowers you to create any type of pop-up with an intuitive visual designer that ensures that you look great on every screen size without a single line of code. And each pop-up is triggered on your terms, giving you complete control on where, when, and how you want them to appear, so you can craft the perfect user experience. Oh, and you can create as many pop-ups as you want. None of those extra costs or hidden fees. So let's dive into how the Popup Builder can help you grow your online business. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to build sophisticated pop-ups with all of the Elementor Pro widgets and features, including any type of pop-up, from lightboxes, full splash screens, to banners. We've got it all. And you can make them look great on every screen size. And with the editor's responsive controls, you can further customize their appearance for specific breakpoints or screen sizes. And looking for some inspiration to help you kickstart your pop-up project? We've got you covered with tons of professionally designed pop-ups for different purposes. All you have to do is adjust the content, style, and images to make it fit your brand. And when you set up your pop-ups, you can also use unique entrance and exit animation effects. Use motion effects to have your pop-up slide in from the side, or set a sticky effect to keep it in position. And each of these options can be done without a single line of code. So once you've designed your pop-up, all that's left is to determine when, where, and to who you want to show it. And that's where Elementor's pop-up publish settings come in. First off are conditions that allow you to choose where the pop-up will appear. For example, you can make the pop-up appear on the page where you describe your services, so you could let visitors know about a special sale. Next up are triggers that allow you to set the actions or behaviors that trigger pop-ups. For example, you can create an exit intent pop-up to grab visitors' attention right before they leave your website. And third, advanced rules that allow you to set the requirements that need to be met for pop-ups to open. For example, you can make the pop-up appear after visiting 3 other pages on your site. This ensures that the pop-up is shown to visitors who are more engaged in your content. And these are just some examples of how you can use pop-ups on your website. So gain full design freedom and deliver the perfect visitor experience with Elementor Pro's Popup Builder. You can create as many pop-ups as you like, customize them, and boost your website's conversion. Click on the link in the description to find out more.